shrimp.
Hello, this is Godzilla Fan 868, and I'm going to show you how to do the first of several multiple Wii mods from Team Twiizers. So first thing, go to WiiBrew.org into your browser, and you'll pop up with this cool wiki page. And you can either click on current events right here, or you should see it right here as well if it's up to date, current events. And there we will click Twilight hack, where we come up with this page, and there's a YouTube video showing in demonstration. Well, you'll see this thing right here for the installation, which we will have NTSC for my demo. So right here is the location of it. First we should download it, which you can download the zip file right here. Save to disk. Yeah. And while that's there, first it's going to make sure that you have the correct version. Whereas for right here, just check on the underside of your disk if you have one of these two. And this one right here at the bottom usually doesn't work. I'm not sure, I don't have it. I have the second one. If you bought the game early on with the Wii in the early releases of Twilight Princess, you should be all set, and you should be able to run it successfully. And you should have one of this one right here, this code for the bottom of your game. Just check on the underside of your disk for it. So first, let's get to our program, Twilight hack, which is right here. There you go. Yeah, it's very blurry. But we'll unzip it first because it's in a zip file. Just grab it right here. There you go. Yeah, messed up. Yes to all. There you go. Now it's over here. We are right here. And the file we want is this one right here. See how this says right here? private.wii.title.rzde.data. Well, this right here is your saved game data for the actual Zelda game, which is what we will be changing. We will be removing this data file and putting this one in its place, RZDE. We'll be putting this one in its place, but naming it data, so it'll be the new Zelda save data. We'll be doing this on this SD card. So now pop up your SD card right here and create a folder named private. Within that, create a folder named Wii. Then there you go. Then within that, create a folder named title, and within that, create one for RZDE. Then within there, you'd create one. You would find your actual data file. This would be the Zelda file, which is normally like 70 something kilobytes, but we can just delete that completely. Unless if you want to save it to your desktop as a temporary place, like around here or something, anywhere, as a temporary location. So after you're done with the bootloader, you can still go back to your Zelda file. So delete it, drag and drop your RZDE over here, which we're doing right now, and then we would just delete this right here, delete the old data file, rename this one right here to data, so that Wii recognizes this as the Zelda data file. Boom. Now it's a data bin file. Now that we had this on our SD card, then we will be all set. RZDP is for the people who have the other file, the other version of this game. I'll show you right here. Right here, the one that's usually not. This one right here. RZDP. If you have that file, then you'll need to use that one. Just depends on which one you're using, but it doesn't matter. So now that we have our file set up, and you'll have it backed up if you want it. Now we go to the actual Wii portion of it. Hello, this is Godzilla Fan 868 again, upstairs at my Wii. So what you want to do is, you should be able to check on the Wii underneath your disk for Twilight Princess along this rim right here, the number, and see if it's RZDE and whatever. Then just load it right into the Wii. and make sure your SD card is loaded in there fine. Then with your Wii controller, let's get some focus on here. The Wii controller, go to the options menu, which I'm having quite difficulty doing. There you go. Select the left hand side. Save data from the SD card. Then you'll see right here, where is it? You should see your old Twilight Princess file, which I'm not finding anymore. Oh, there it is. This would be your Twilight Princess file, which we're gonna erase. And it's gonna ask if you want to erase, and I say yes. And it's erasing. And it's done erasing. Go to your SD card, and you should see the new Twilight Princess file, which will say chain loader, which is what we want, Weebrew. So copy it, which will copy to the Wii system memory. Yes. Now that it's copying, just give it a second or two. It's a large file of 300 kilobytes. Now that it's copied to the Wii system memory, you will see right there, Wii loader, which is always good news. Back all the way out to the Wii menu. Now load Zelda Twilight Princess. Skip this part. And it's just like the game, you can keep on playing if I really wanted to. Wants me to connect my nunchuck, it requires a nunchuck. So, just to make it happy, we are just going to connect the nunchuck to it and let it hang. Load Twilight Hack, which will automatically be the first file right there, with its 20 hearts and 5 minutes of gameplay. Start it and click start. This is when you need the nunchuck, because it's so sophisticated. Walk to that guy right there, nothing special, and talk to him. The moment you talk to him, you will be done. Done. Now it is currently saying Wii Elf Loader version 0.1 Alpha 1. Coming soon, Elf Loader and the Linux Penguin and beyond. Info, weebrew.org, donations, /dev/null. Hope you enjoy it. And currently the only way I figured out how to turn this off from here is unplug the Wii, because currently my Wii remote is useless and the power button won't even work. So if it doesn't work for you, don't freak out. Oh, and the power button on the Wii doesn't work either. I haven't tried to reset yet though. Okay, it doesn't work. So you have to unplug your Wii and go back to the regular menu. This won't install anything. It's just loading from some code in Twilight Princess. So you'll be good. See you, Godzilla Fan 866 out.